Greetings, traders. To locate and use the custom indicators in TopstepX, click on the indicators at the top of the chart and search for TopstepX. Click on the indicator name that you wish to add to your chart. Click on the star to add it to your favorites, which will bring it to the top of the list. The initial balance is the distance between the high and low of the first hour after the market open. It is also known as the IB. To customize, mouse over the name of the indicator and click on the settings icon. Under the input section, the open time is the start of the initial balance timer. This is listed in Central Time and based on a 24-hour clock. The IB length specifies the duration of time used to calculate the high and low of the initial balance. In the display mode, use step to display the historical prices as the initial balance is being created. Use straight to show the high and low once the initial balance has been fully established. The EXT settings can be used to specify measured moves after a breakout has occurred. To remove the extensions, uncheck the Show Extension Targets. Under the Style section, you can set the line color, the line style, and the line type for each individual level. Also note that the initial balance indicator will calculate on non-time-based charts.